Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano holders to witness a recovery toward $1. The chances are since striking its path on 2 September, Cardano Ada initiated its downtrend and practically swayed below its 20 to 50 EMA. The decline proved to be rather menacing for the bulls, as they failed to defend the $1 mark. The close above the $0.9 mark would position ADA for a possible retest of its point of control, POC. Post which, it could face a pullback from near the $1.1 zone and traverse back into its long-term trend. The seventh largest crypto most likely positioned itself to reclaim the vital $1 support, now resistance. At press time, it traded at $0.888, down by 1.2% in the last 24 hours. Since striking its path on 2 September, Cardano Ada initiated its downtrend and practically swayed below its 20 to 50 EMA. The decline proved to be rather menacing for the bulls as they failed to defend the $1 mark. The close above the $0.9 mark would position ADA for a possible retest of its point of control, POC. Post which, it could face a pullback from near the $1.1 zone and traverse back into its long-term trend. The seventh largest crypto most likely positioned itself to reclaim the vital $1 support, now resistance. At press time, it traded at $0.888, down by 1.2% in the last 24 hours. Since its path, ADA has formed a 6-month-long descending channel, reversal pattern, yellow, while the alt was on a steep downtrend. Furthermore, it lost over 40% of its value from 10 February, after forming a bearish flag and pull on its daily chart. As a result, it gravitated towards its 9-month low on 24 February, while the buyers stepped in to defend the 82-cent level. It becomes vital to note that this level of support has stood as a testing floor for nearly a year. As a result, for the past 2 days, the bulls have been exerting pressure and rejecting lower prices. From here on, assuming the bulls are keen on maintaining the 82-cent mark intact, the alt eyed a 20 EMA retest, followed by reclaiming the $1 support. Historically, ADA has picked itself up from the lower trend line of the down channel and tested its 50 EMA before conforming to the downtrend. However, the next few candlesticks would confirm whether the history would repeat itself or not. Rationale: the bearish RSI showed an expected revival from its oversold mark. Any close above the 38 mark would likely cause a retest at the 44-point hurdle. A recovery towards the midline seemed conceivable in the days to come, as the bulls endeavored to topple these barriers. The DMI reaffirmed the heightened bearish influence. As the DAI approached its long-term peak, the chances of a recovery in the coming days are high. Conclusion: while a trend reversal still might require exceptional efforts on the part of bulls, a test of its point of control while finding a close above the 20 EMA seemed probable in the medium-long term. Even so, investors should keep a close eye on Bitcoin's movement, as ADA shares a 71% 30-day correlation with the King coin. And seconds news: Elon Musk steps up to save Ukraine's internet, but details are sparse. The tech billionaire activated his Starlink satellite internet service in the country, and said terminals needed to access the service are on the way. Elon Musk, tech billionaire and founder of aerospace manufacturer SpaceX, has agreed to rescue Ukraine's internet after the country's Vice Prime Minister Mikhail Fedorov reached out to him via Twitter. On Friday, Ukrainian Vice Prime Minister and Minister of Digital Transformation Mikhail Fedorov asked Musk to turn his attention away from space exploration for a bit to help his country stay connected to the internet, as the ongoing Russian attacks threatened the nation's internet connectivity. Russia launched a full-scale invasion on Ukraine on Wednesday. Since then, Western countries have come together to impose strict sanctions on Russia. After a move to block Russia from global banking system SWIFT on Saturday, President Vladimir Putin put the country's nuclear force on high alert. According to internet governance watchdog NetBlocks, rival blockchains like Cardano, where transaction fees are cheaper. Where is ADA's price headed? Cardano's development in recent months has been commendable and can be seen in the growth of its market capitalization. In addition, the Cardano blockchain has expanded by approximately 13 GPs since the beginning of the year, implying a lot of chain activity. While all these elements depict a vibrant Cardano blockchain, ADA's price at publication time was $0.947046 and was up only 0.5% over the last 24 hours. Despite the recent attempt to stage a recovery, the token is still approximately 69.3% away from its all-time of $3.09 set back in September 2021. The seventh biggest coin by market cap is also down 16% over the last month. Bitcoin, thanks to its dominance within the market, could aid altcoins' revival in the near future if it's able to mount a sustainable rally. But in the meantime, the majority of cryptocurrencies appear to be struggling to shrug off weeks of lackluster performance. Meanwhile, a fintech panel at Finders expects ADA to be valued at over $2.79 by the end of the year. The next news, Russia banks raise key rates by 20% in desperate measure to save ruble. Russian banks have raised key rates to 20% in a bid to save the ruble as major countries cut off support to Moscow amid its invasion of Ukraine. The Russian central bank raised its key interest rate to. And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the Technews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential.